My name is Praveen Patil. I am from Belgaum. I studied Jain College of Engineering, Belgaum, in Belgaum only. After that, from the branch of Electronics and Communication. In that my branch, I getting some interest in like embedded system and all. After doing some project on electronics, I getting interest in like embedded system, like main passion. After that, decided to choose some embedded course. After searching a lot in Bangalore, I searched a good institute like Emertxe Institute of Technology. In Emertxe, there will be how much you want, you can do that much of projects. There is no limitation for project. But I did like each model, I did like two projects. In C, like 2 projects, stenography and address book. In microcontroller, we did like a car block box and Pictolite. And Linux internal, like we did like we create some our own OS like mini shell. And DS, we also have one project. From this all project, we learned from basic to everything. In Emertxe, I got like initially I got selected like good company like Harman, LG and HCL also. In Harman and all, I clearing the all technical and due to my communication skill and lack of fairness and all, I'm not competent enough to face any final round HR interviews. After thinking that, I decided to improve myself. After my improving my skill, I again applied to like MNC company Hyundai Motors. In that, I got shortlisted and I cleared the 4 rounds of interview. Don't leave your hope. You try and try, you will definitely get one day, not today or tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, you definitely get a job. You need to do is your hard work and get help from Emertxe. They will help you a lot.
I am from India, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from SVR Engineering College in the year of 2024. During my college, one guest lecture was happened. In that guest lecture, they told about the embedded domain, which is going to the future generation. From there, I got interested to join in the embedded domain. After that, I searched many to get to know about institutes. From Instagram, I get to know that Emertxe is the best place for learning and growing and getting placed. Automotive company is a futuristic domain. Now all the cars are coming very automated. Driverless car also coming, and in that automotive domain is very helpful for the future generation. Like EVs are coming in advance, so this makes me interest. There will be a good future for the automotive domain. That makes me interest to get in the automotive domain and got selected in the place. Assignments are the basics to know how the C language is working. After that, if you are good in assignments, means you will be able to do the projects. I did 7 projects in Emertxe. I did 3 projects in C, 2 projects in car black box, and 2 projects in microcontrollers, and 1 in Linux internals and 1 in data structures. Before my placement, I have attended 2 interviews. After that, the Hyundai is the 3rd interview. The interview process in the Hyundai is pretty good. And first round will be the aptitude round, which was online. The students who qualified the online test, they will be promoted to the domain test. The domain test will be held on their campus, which is the written test. After that, the written test, there will be technical interview. After the technical interview, the HR will be there. After that, the interview process will be completed. It was good only, but in the starting of microcontroller module, I felt very low because I not understood how the microcontroller board is working. After that, with the help of mentor supports, I got to know each and every point in the board, and I got more knowledge on that. I will suggest to join Emertxe because the way they created the learning modules are very good. From basics to advanced, they created the learning modules, each and every module, and they are giving assurance of placement for 2 years. It will help you to crack the job.
Hi everyone, this is Saram Krishna. I'm 2024 ECE graduate from Dad Institute of Engineering and Technology, Visakhapatnam. Actually, I'm from diploma background. When I was doing diploma, I have curiosity on joining to a domain where I have learned what I have learned in diploma. Then I have pursued my bachelor's in the same stream of electronics and communication engineering. Then after completing my bachelor's, I have decided to explore the different domains wherein electronic or ECE graduate can get into. And then I have explored VLSA and then embedded systems. Due to some considerations and my interest, I have left out VLSA domain, and I have chosen embedded system. From starting a car engine to assisting a driver and having safety standards in a car to adaptive cruise controls, ADAS systems, this ECUs, everything involves an embedded system or an electronics engineer. I have developed interest in automobile industries, and during my bachelor's I was having some ideas which is also relevant to automotive sector. During my course in Emertxe, I have completed 13 projects. Learning theoretically doesn't matter anything. Implementing practically makes a lot of difference. Whatever concepts you are learning theoretically, just projects will help you to implement it practically, and you will have different scenarios and edge cases where you need to work on your own creativity, and your problem solving skills will be developed by building projects. Hiring process in Hyundai involves 5 rounds. Initially, it was aptitude round, followed by domain test, and then followed by technical round 1 and 2, then HR. My journey through Emertxe was a long journey, and this journey includes both highs and lows. Coming to my highs in this journey are I have upskilled myself, and I know the upskilling energy, what I have felt after joining Emertxe. And the lows, soon after completing my training session or course period in Emertxe, I have started applying through many companies, and some companies have shortlisted my resume and I have went further rounds, and some of them have rejected me in the initial rounds. So facing rejections also matters a lot, and withholding ourselves and hope, making ourselves ready.
Yeah, hi, I'm Irfan. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation in the stream of ECE from SSET College in the year of 2024. Yeah, as a ECE graduate, I have interest in to join in embedded domain during my graduation. And my lecturers told me to join in embedded domain, which is growing like anything. And from there, I got interest to join in embedded systems, and I joined in that course. I completed total 8 products in Emertxe, and the assignments are the very basic to learn in Emertxe, and they will teach you like anything, and the constant support from lab mentors and the mentors is very good here. By doing assignments projects, and we can get a practical knowledge on concept, which gives you more confidence. Yeah, India was my 5th interview, and before that and all I attended 4 interviews in which I was very lack of my communication, and Emertxe helped me to get through out of communication, and they taught me some skills to how to improve my communication skills. Hyundai test pattern was first they conducted an online test. After that they held a written test which is in Hyderabad. And for me they went with 2 technical rounds and 1 HR round. Yeah, in technical rounds they mainly focused on the very basics of electronics from my graduation and the projects what I did on in Emertxe. Thoroughly gone with my project. I explained the workflow of the project. As we all know that nowadays the automotive industry is booming like anything, and nowadays EV is also getting more chances in the automotive industry. EV is growing like anything. This is the chance to utilize the automotive industry to get placed in the Hyundai company. First of all, I came here with 0 coding skills and constant support from my lab mentors and class mentors. They taught me C language very good, and I am not able to write simple programs also. And they taught me very basics to advanced level, and I'm happy to learn that also. And the mainly focus is to give practical knowledge on embedded system domain, which I liked it very much, and it is helpful to me. If you wanna join a course which is related to embedded system, means you can join in Emertxe. Why? Because here they will provide you a practical knowledge by doing assignments and projects, and the constant supports from mentor. And please don't kill the hope in you, and you will get placed one day.